Hi guys, today we're at my dining room table and I'm going to show you how to put together a couple of candy-free Easter baskets from the Dollar Tree. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. All right guys, so here is all the stuff that I got for our Easter baskets this year. I'm going to go ahead and go through everything one by one. So let's go ahead and start with the baskets. I got 2 baskets. These baskets are new this year. I haven't seen them before, and they are incredibly adorable. And I feel like my 3-year-old is really going to like playing with that once she opens her basket and goes through everything. Then I got this little Easter grass. It's got 3 colors, so I only had to buy 1 bag, and I can fill both baskets with that. And then I got these little stuffed animals here, 1 for each basket. And then this is all stuff that I got for my 3-year-old. So I got a pair of these really cute socks. They have these little ruffles on them. Got some finger paints. I got these stamps, and then this little coloring paint set. They had this My Little Pony puzzle. Let me get closer so you can see that. So that'll be really cute. It's 50 pieces, so I think that might be a little advanced for her, but that's okay. We can give it a try. It was $1. And then I got these little frogs that I'll stick in there, and these are just cute little bath toys. What else here? We went over the finger paints, and then I also got a lot of painting stuff. I got this little ceramic egg that she can paint. We're vegan, so we're not going to put any real eggs in her basket, and we're probably not going to do any candy again this year. I might maybe do 1 piece, but for the most part, this is going to be a candy-free basket. So we've got this little ceramic egg for her to paint. And then we got this here. I'm not quite sure what these are. They apparently explode when you, or like explode open when you like pound on them like that. And they have a balloon in them, and then there's like some strings in the back. So those should be interesting. Then I got these little bubble sticks. I'm not sure if I'm going to give all of these to my older daughter or if a couple of them will go into my 6-month-old's basket. Then I got these really cute headbands. These are so adorable. What else? Oh, and I've got this little wooden craft kit car for her to make. You can hear my 6-month-old over there supervising this video as usual. And then I got some Play-Doh. I'm probably going to split this up either between the 2 baskets, or I might just put it all in my 6-month-old's basket, depending on how full her basket is, because she doesn't have quite as much stuff that can go in her basket. So let's go over that. I've got her these little rubber duckies. This is not from the Dollar Tree. I had this already, and so I'm just going to kind of throw that in there to kind of bulk the basket up. She is starting solid, so I'll throw that in there. I got her own set of finger paints. I got her own little egg to paint. We'll probably just throw a nice big shirt on her and let her just go to town. I got her own set of little butterfly wing headbands. And then I got these bubbles for her. And again, I might actually split this up and put 1 in each basket. I'm not quite sure yet. So there you have it. That is all the stuff that's going to go in the basket. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put the baskets together, and then I'll turn the camera back on and just kind of show you what they look like when they are complete. All right, guys, so there is the finished product, and this is my 6-month-old's basket, and it's actually pretty full. I didn't really have to find too much else to get it, feeling really full. And then there's my 3-year-old's basket. This, of course, is quite full because she's older and can use all those little things like her little stamps. This is going to be kind of fun for her because all the little stuff is like down into the grass. So it's going to be like a little treasure hunt for her. So that is the finished product. And down in the comments section down below, let me know what you do for Easter baskets. Do you do candy in your Easter baskets or no? I'd love to hear what other parents are doing. And if you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you're not already a subscriber, click that little red subscribe button down below and hit the notification icon so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.